Hi guys, welcome to my channel IDP. In this video, we are going to learn about the words prevent and avoid. What does prevent mean? What does avoid mean? Prevent, basically, it means to stop. Yeah? Prevent means to stop. And avoid basically means to stay away. Okay? Let's continue. Prevent means to stop something, yeah, or to stop someone. Okay, to stop something from happening or to stop someone from doing something. Okay, you can see here slapping, crime, injures, theft. So mostly something here bad, yeah? So we can say to stop something bad from happening or to stop someone from doing something bad. And avoid means to stay away from someone. Stay away, yeah? Stay away. Or to stay away from something. Okay? Let's see in some sentences. Number one, I prevented her from slapping me. And here we use avoid. I avoided the slap easily. I will show you in action. Yeah. For the first one, prevented. I prevented her from slapping me. Okay? Next one. Yeah. Once again. Yeah. I avoided the slap easily. Okay, that's it. Let's go to number two. The arrival of the police prevented crime. Okay, the arrival of the police prevented crime. Here, if we leave now, we will avoid rush hour. Next, helmet prevent head injuries. Okay, here number three. Stop avoiding the question. Yeah, stop avoiding the question. Okay, next, number four. I always use a security lock to prevent theft. Yeah, theft, something bad. Okay, head injures, something bad. Okay, here number four. If we are dieting, we might avoid fatty or sugary foods. Yeah, of course. Yeah, and then I will make another example. How when we use avoid, I avoided. Okay, I avoided meeting my ex. I avoided meeting my ex. Do you have an ex? Okay, let me know. Please type in commenter column. Now we will use words prevent and avoid in one sentence. Okay, you can see here. We cannot prevent the rush hour, but we can avoid it. That's it. Yeah, I think this video can help you, yeah, to understand when to use prevent, when to use avoid. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can learn from my video, and see you on my next video.